Neerav Suratwala. I am founder director HV Desai Competitive Exam Center, and basically I am also a coach at Midas. And basically I teach economics in Midas to all the students who want to become entrepreneurs. So in this video we are going to talk about the top 10 trends for aspiring entrepreneur to be future ready. So that is the video, that is the topic of the video, and I think that we should start. And I'm going to speak on basis of my experience of doing business, and basically whatever we are, you can say, teaching at Midas. Okay, so first important thing is that you should all have knowledge of yourself. Okay, that is very very important, because knowledge of yourself मेक्स यू कैन से वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, आपको एक क्लैरिटी देता है आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या होने चाहिए, आपके वीकनेसेस क्या होने चाहिए, ऑल दिस थिंग्स you get complete clarity when you have got knowledge of yourself. Okay, so then what happens is you understand that okay, my strength is, say, I am very good, you can say, at marketing, I am very good at back end, I am very good, you can say, in, say, for example, food industry, I am very good in fashion industry, I have got knowledge there, I have got passion there, right? If you know that, automatically what would happen is you would get complete clarity, you would get that confidence, and you would get that drive to become the most successful person in that business. If, and many people say this, many students, many aspirants, many, you can say, जो ये बनना चाहते हैं, entrepreneurs बनना चाहते हैं, they came and they say, sir, but we don't have clarity, then what should we do, right? Then the message is very simple to them. You should follow the, you can say, the very famous principle of Steve Jobs, which he mentioned in one of his speeches at Stanford. In that speech he said that basically you should always follow the principle of connecting the dots. Connecting the dots matlab kya hai? If you are not sure about what you are doing currently, whether this is going to help you in the future or not, then you should just go by the flow. You should give your best in whatever you are doing and just believe in that destiny, and that destiny would take care of it. And then what would happen is, automatically, if you are going to do best in what you are doing currently, automatically this is going to help you in the future, and that would be, you can say, that would be great thing in your life. जैसे उसने एग्जांपल दिया था कि व्हेन ही वाज कंप्लीटली, यू कैन सी, ही हैड लेफ्ट द कॉलेज बट ही वाज स्टिल लिविंग इन द कॉलेज एज अ पैरासाइट, एंड देन ही रैंडमली टुक सम कैलीग्राफी क्लासेस, एंड ही एब्सोल्युटली हैड नो आइडिया व्हाट दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प हिम इन द फ्यूचर, but he kept on doing those. He was completely, you can say, giving his whole into those calligraphy classes. He had not even joined the college, he had not even officially, you can say, joined the course, but he was giving his all. And then when he set up Apple, and then they had to set up, you can say, some software like, you can say, Microsoft Word, it was called Pages. In that he used all those calligraphic fonts. Okay, so it is very very important. And then he says that in Steve Jobs proper, you can say, manner, in his style, in his panache, that you can say, calligraphy, that is why we have so many fonts in Apple Pages. And then automatically Apple Pages ka copy kiya tha in Microsoft Word, so automatically those calligraphy came into the Microsoft Word. So that is what we have to understand, right? Very very important कि जो भी कर रहे हो बेस्ट करो अभी, और अगर क्लैरिटी होगा, अगर आपको पैशन आपका मिल गया, तो नथिंग लाइक इट. सो फर्स्ट, यू कैन से, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रेंड which I'm going to talk about, which will make you future ready, is knowledge of self. Okay, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकेंड, जैसे है, जिसको मैं बोलूंगा कि कंटिन्यूस लर्निंग. क्या हुआ है आजकल, जो कॉलेज का जो आपका पढ़ाई है, ओके, दैट इज कंप्लीटली बिकमिंग आउटडेटेड. दैट डजंट मीन दैट लीव कॉलेजेस. यू शुड डू कॉलेजेस, you should take good education, but college education is not going to be enough. You have to go beyond the college education, because the world is such, the world today, we describe it as, we are going through industrial revolution number 4, and this industrial revolution number 4 is all about big data, it is all about, you can say, analytics, it is all about, you can say, artificial intelligence, machine learning. Okay, then you can say cloud. ये सब, ये वर्ल्ड है. आप देखो आपके आजू बाजू का वर्ल्ड कितना चेंज हो गया है. Amazon से फॉर एग्जांपल, और से फॉर एग्जांपल Uber. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? पूरा जो नॉर्मल, यू कैन से, कैब ड्राइवर्स थे, रिक्शा ड्राइवर्स थे, कंप्लीटली दे हैव बिकम आउटडेटेड. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? उबर, ओला, Amazon, Google Maps. So the world is changing fast. Are you understanding this? Everything is going to become more and more, you can say, system driven, more and more computer dependent, more and more internet dependent. और एक बार ये 5G आ गया तो और ज्यादा ये सारे ट्रेंड्स को और बढ़ावा मिल जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? सो वर्ल्ड बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो रहा है. इसके लिए अगर आपका जो नॉलेज स्टैटिक है, आप जो सिर्फ कॉलेज में बुक्स में पढ़ा हुआ है, वो सिर्फ नॉलेज लेके घूमोगे, तो यू वुड बी, यू कैन से, लाइक अ फॉसिल हु इज, यू कैन से, लिविंग ऑन दिस अर्थ, और ऑलमोस्ट यू आर डेड ऑन दिस अर्थ, बिकॉज यू आर अ फॉसिल. सो कंटिन्यूस अपडेशन लगेगा आपको, नए नए चीजें सीखनी पड़ेंगी. यू कैन नॉट से दैट ओके, आई हैव डन, यू कैन से, इकोनॉमिक्स, सो आई कैन नॉट डू सॉफ्टवेयर. आई एम इंजीनियर, आई शुड नॉट बी नोइंग इकोनॉमिक्स. यू शुड बी नोइंग आपको बेसिक बेसिक सारी चीजें पता होनी चाहिए, और अभी भी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं कम होता है द प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज का. सो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट इज टेक मैक्सिमम प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. नो वर्क इज स्मॉल वर्क. इवन इफ यू गेट सम इंटर्नशिप्स, you can say some small job here, odd job here, do that and take experience is the most important thing. It would make you can say future ready, और आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से आप फ्यूचर में आप you can say फेस कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये ट्रेंड जो है ये बहुत रैपिड होने वाला है. आई कैन गिव यू एग्जांपल अक्रॉस सेक्टर्स. Say for example in Chennai there is a restaurant which is served by the robots. If you go to USA, McDonald's is completely you can automate करने का मतलब they are trying. Check in check out would be completely you can say automized, or you can say you go into you can say malls, whatever you are doing shopping, you just have to cross to the counters, barcode hoga, you have to pay, do the payments, no human transaction. Tolls, no human transaction. Stock markets, basic stock markets are today run completely by you can say AI. Media, Chinese, in China there is a system which takes what are the important news are there and it presents in the evening. Doctors, all the basic जो pathological conditions होंगे ये सॉफ्टवेयर ही आपको बता देगा. ओके, सीए, ऑल द बेसिक यू कैन से आपका जो अकाउंट होगा वो एक सॉफ्टवेयर ही कर देगा. लीगल, ऑल द बेसिक थिंग्स वुड बी डन बाय यू कैन से सॉफ्टवेयर. सो बेसिक अगर आप रह रहे हो, बेसिक नॉलेज आपका है, तो आप प्रॉब्लम में आ सकते हो इन द फ्यूचर, एंड देन यू विल नॉट हैव बिजनेस, यू विल नॉट हैव जॉब्स. It is you can say a very dangerous thing to do. The third trend, the first trend was knowledge of self. Second trend is you'll have to continuously study, you'll have to do study of multidisciplinary thing, you'll have to be updated with the world. The third thing I want to you can say speak upon is competitiveness. So you can say earlier we used to say that you should have the trait of competitiveness, and if you have that competitiveness, then what happens is your chances of becoming successful increases, right? So yes, you need that trend today also. You should be competitive, and that should be healthy competition. You should have the competition with yourself. Are you understand? That is how you can become better every day. But more than competitiveness, one trend which is going to decide your future today is the trend of collaboration, my friends. Today in this world, people who can collaborate well, who can work in teams well, they are going to be successful. Take this from me. ओके, सो आपको कोलैबोरेशन स्किल्स आने चाहिए. इसके लिए अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट हो, अगर आप कॉलेजेस में हो, ओके, देन यू शुड लर्न एंड यू कैन से ट्राई एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन टीम गेम्स. यू कैन से स्पोर्ट्स खेल सकते हो आप, या फिर टीम में जो कॉलेज इवेंट्स होते हैं वहां पे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो आप. एक साथ कोलैबोरेशन में करो. कितना कोलैबोरेशन में आप कर सकते हो, टीम वर्क कितना कर सकते हो आप, उतना करो. टीम बॉन्डिंग करो, ताकि ये वैल्यूज सीखने पड़ेंगे कि हाउ टू वर्क इन टीम, हाउ टू डू वर्क, हाउ टू टेक द लीडरशिप. ये सब चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. और इसके साथ ही बिजनेस में यू ऑल्सो हैव टू डेवलप सुपर स्ट्रॉन्ग नेटवर्क्स, बिकॉज दिस वर्ल्ड इज ऑल अबाउट कोलैबोरेशन. पीपल would require resources, and if you have got good networks, if people know you, immediately they would remember you. Yes, Nirav sir is there, or you can say some XYZ person is there, he or she can do this work at this moment of time. Immediately everybody can be easily joined. So networks and you can say collaboration is my third point, more important than competitiveness. My fourth point is, you can say, I call it a 3H. The 3H are going to be honesty, humility, humor. So because this world is you can say now completely flat, because this world is globalized, because we are having so much of social media. Are you understanding this? So that is why transparency has improved, accountability has improved. You do any fraud, you are not giving any good service, you are not giving any good product, and it is going to be very very difficult for you, right? So you need to be honest. Okay, क्योंकि अभी आपको ऐसा चांस नहीं है, से नीरव मोदी है या फिर यू कैन से विजय माल्या है, इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू रिकंस्ट्रक्ट देयर करियर नाउ, बिकॉज the you can say word has spread in the entire you can say economy, right? So you should be honest. तो ही आपको रहेगा. एक पूरा रेटिंग्स का जमाना है, सोशल मीडिया का जमाना है. ऑनेस्टी इज गोइंग टू बी चेरिश्ड, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड अगर हम इवन इफ यू टेक द एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज, लाइक से if I had gone to USA or even Australia is way ahead than USA, I would say, कि वहां पे अगर जाओगे तो सिस्टम्स इतने ऑनेस्ट है, एंड पीपल आर सो ऑनेस्ट दैट यू जस्ट, when I had gone to Australia, I'll tell you an anecdote that I'd had a car, and I wanted to fill the petrol in the car, and I was so surprised because I had gone to USA before and you had to swipe a card first there, but यहाँ पे वो भी नहीं है. आप डायरेक्टली लो पेट्रोल पंप पे, आप यू जस्ट यू कैन से फिल इन योर you can say tank, and then there would be somewhere in the corner some you can say shop would be there you have to go, you have to walk, and then you have to give the money. You have to tell that I you can say fill this much petrol, and you have to go and give the money there. So honesty is going to be the future, because everything is going to be system driven. आप continuously आप you can say watch में रहोगे, CCTV cameras are going to be there, and all these things are going to be there. So honesty cannot be you can substitute. Honesty is going to be the best policy. Humility, very very important. You should not have too much of yourself as bigger. You should have humility. You should be able to learn. You should be able to accept your mistakes. And person who is going to have humility, that person is going to become more successful. That is what is the experience. It is a very important trait for leadership now. And the third is humor. This new generation is completely, you can say, it does the work in a different, you can say, way. So you should be able to crack jokes, you should be able to lighten up the mood so that everybody, you can say, gets charged up, don't feel low, no pressure, and they can work very very hard. So 3H याद रखना. फिफ्थ जो पॉइंट है, अगेन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, दैट इज ह्यूमन वैल्यूज. ह्यूमन वैल्यूज में मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि अभी because of so much awareness, dignity and respect you cannot compromise. Gone are the days when there were prejudices, gone were the days when there were, you can say, gender imbalances and people were successful even having these values. Today you cannot expect that. Everybody expects dignity, everybody expects, you can say, complete respect. कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं है, कोई भी काम बड़ा नहीं है. आपके सारे टीम मेंबर्स और आप सब इक्वल हो. भले आप बॉस होंगे, आप लीडर होंगे, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट यू हैव टू थिंक दैट यू ऑल आर वन. There is a team. Yes, you need to have that command over them, that is true, but that should be coming out of respect. And if you are not going to respect people, then it is going to be very very difficult. Ethics in, you can say, business, day and day the importance of ethics is going to improve, and ethics का importance बढ़ते ही जाने वाला है. Okay, sixth point is about the communication skills. Again, a very very important point, communication skills. If you understand communication skills, it is going to be very good. You cannot say I am an engineer, I can do brilliant coding, but I cannot talk. Are you understanding? I cannot sell. ये नहीं चलने वाला है. You should be able to express yourself. If you are going to become a businessman, you are going to be the front man. You are going to the people. You are going to the person who is going to face the people. So you should be able to communicate yourself good. And for communication, I would suggest that you should have good, you can say, hold over any one language. Are you understanding this? Especially English, that is a universal language. So try and be very good in language. You should be having good vocabulary. If you have good vocabulary, you have command over the language, you will be able to express yourself in a good manner. You express yourself in good manner, you can say, make the right, you can say, choice of words, and it would be very very effective. It is also effective for being a good leader, communication, because your communication decides how your team is going to work. In communication, I would also add in one more point, that is about emotional intelligence. You have to understand, this is a theory given by Daniel Goleman. It has got 4 components. What is the first component? The first component talks about self awareness. So हमको हमारे emotions के बारे में aware होना चाहिए. जब हम गुस्सा है, are you understanding? हमको aware होना चाहिए, just now I am not in the right frame of mind. Are you understanding this? Second, एक बार आप aware हो जाओ, then you should be able to self regulate. Again, very very important. Once you are aware about yourself, you are regulating yourself, then you will be aware about your, you can say, circumstances, कि आजू बाजू क्या चल रहा है. You will be very much aware about this. Say for example, your employee is not feeling well, then you will understand, you will go into his shoes, that he is not feeling well. Are you understanding? And then you will be able to regulate the social situation properly. So self-awareness, self-regulation, social, you can say, surrounding awareness and surrounding regulation. जब ये अच्छा करोगे, communication skill भी improve होगा, लोगों के emotions अच्छे से समझ पाओगे, खुद के emotions अच्छे से regulate कर पाओगे, and you can become a good leader, a good business person. Are you understanding? एक बहुत ही अच्छा मैंने word सुना था, और you can say एक line सुनी हुई थी मैंने. Okay, so इंसान की पहचान कैसी होती है? इंसान की पहचान उसके ये चीज से होती है कि उसके दोस्त और उसके नौकर कितने पुराने हैं. तो इफ योर, यू कैन से, फ्रेंड्स एंड इफ योर, यू कैन से, employees are old, that means you are a good person. You are treating them well, you are treating with the respect, you have got good communication skills, you are standing up for them, you have the empathy, they would stand with you even in your crisis situations. That is what you have to understand. So that is why communication skill is very very important, my friends. Next, I would say seventh is data. डेटा इज द न्यू ऑयल. ये तो आपने सुना होगा. जियो का नाम भी कैसे जियो पड़ा है, ऑयल का मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन है जियो. तो आपको ये समझना चाहिए. तो डेटा आपके बिजनेस का आपके पास होना चाहिए. आपको डेटा पढ़ने को आना चाहिए. उसके लिए थोड़ा बेसिक फाइनेंशियल मैथ्स नॉलेज आपको होना चाहिए. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग दैट यू शुड बी नोइंग मैथ्स. से फॉर एग्जांपल कैलकुलस पता होना चाहिए, ये सब कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, बेसिक मैथ्स है, बेसिक डेटा है, ये हमको सबको आना चाहिए. अगर हम ये अच्छे से, हमको आ जाता है डेटा और उसको एनालिसिस करना, उसको स्टोर करना, देन वी वुड बी इन कंप्लीट कंट्रोल ऑफ योर बिजनेस. यू कैन नॉट से दैट सर आई एम आर्टिस्ट, आई ओनली क्रिएट यूट्यूब कंटेंट, देन आल्सो यू विल बी रिक्वायरिंग डेटा. व्हाई यू विल बी रिक्वायरिंग डेटा? बिकॉज यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आपको देखना है कि कौन सा आपका ऑडियंस है, एज कौन से आपका चल रहा है, कौन से एरिया में आपका प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा चल रहा है. सो कंटिन्यूस डेटा आपके पास होना चाहिए, स्टोर होना चाहिए, और उसको एनालिसिस आपको करने को आना चाहिए. रिलेटेड टू दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माय 8 पॉइंट. व्हाट इज माय 8 पॉइंट इज सॉफ्टवेयर इज द न्यू नॉर्मल. व्हाई इज सॉफ्टवेयर इज द न्यू नॉर्मल? बिकॉज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्केल अप द बिजनेस, अगर आपका छोटा बिजनेस है, देन इट इज गोइंग टू बी पर्सन सेंट्रिक. आप जाओगे, बिजनेस चलेगा. बट अगर आपको स्केल करना है बिजनेस, इफ यू वांट टू मेक दैट बिजनेस अ बिग बिजनेस, देन इट हैज टू बी सिस्टम ड्रिवन. You can say, as I have told you in my introduction, right, that you can say basically we coach for making civil servants. ओके सो अगर आप देखोगे तो हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑफिसर्स बनते हैं और ये ऑफिसर्स ने मुझे डेटा शेयर किया हुआ है कि यू कैन से वन ऑफ द आईआरएस ऑफिसर्स हु इज माय स्टूडेंट ही टोल्ड मी दैट अ वेरी बिग एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट इट इज रनिंग कैंपसेस एट मल्टीपल सिटीज मल्टीपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स मल्टीपल स्टेट्स एंड स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स जैसे मेस कैसे चला रहे हॉस्टल कैसे चला रहे एंटायर इज ड्रिवन बाय सॉफ्टवेयर. He gave me example that you can say if you are buying potatoes in mess or any vegetables in mess, okay, whatever is the procurement rate you have to feed in, वो आपके expenses हो गए, right? एंड दैट एक्सपेंसेस वुड बी इमीडिएटली मैच विद अभी वहां पे जो मंडी में रेट चल रहे पोटेटो के उसको मैच हो जाएगा. अगर कोई डिस्क्रिपेंसी आ जाती है तो इमीडिएटली यू कैन से एक नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा कि व्हाई दिस डिस्क्रिपेंसी, you can justify this discrepancy, right? Are you understanding this? So this is how data is going to work, this is how you can say software is going to be working. So if you want to scale systems then data is the you can say new normal, software is the new normal. basic software का knowledge आपको होना चाहिए. ओके और अगर आप अच्छे से सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हो आपकी कंपनी में तो सिस्टम सेंट्रिक बन जाएगा और आपका बिजनेस बहुत ही अच्छे से ग्रो कर सकेगा. नेक्स्ट आई वुड से 9th पॉइंट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज यू डिवाइड योर बिजनेसेस और डिवाइड योर बिजनेस इनटू टू पार्ट्स. वन इज द ट्रांजैक्शनल पार्ट एंड अदर इज द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल पार्ट. ट्रांजैक्शनल पार्ट मतलब ऐसा बिजनेस आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि ये बिजनेस नहीं चलने वाला है ज्यादा, दिस इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म बिजनेस, तो आपको लॉन्ग टर्म का भी प्लानिंग करना पड़ेगा. तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव वुड बी अ लॉन्ग टर्म बिजनेस, दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? तो शॉर्ट टर्म बिजनेसेस, से फॉर एग्जांपल वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट he told me that sir we have got this you can say laptop shop, we are selling laptop in you can say Nashik and we are earning good profit, but day and day our profits are eroding because everything is going online, right? So I would categorize this as a transactional business. तो ये शॉर्ट टर्म में आपको काम में आने वाला है, लॉन्ग टर्म में इसमें दिक्कत होगा. तो अभी जो प्रॉफिट है आप कमाओ 100% ये चालू रखो टिल अ पीरियड, देन till then you are having good you can say profits, but you will have to think about something future, you have to think about a business which is sustainable, which has got a higher shelf life. That is what you will have to understand in this, right? So transactional और transformational ये business के categories करो. देखो आपका business अभी जो आप है वो 10 साल 15 साल आगे चलने वाला है क्या? If it is not, then you need to plan for the future. Last is the most important tip I would like to give. According to me, that is the you can say mantra for success, that never have you can say fear for failure. If you have fear for failure, you will never work. आपका एक्शन नहीं होगा. आप अगर एक्शन नहीं लेते हो, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, देन आप सक्सेसफुल ही नहीं होने वाले हो, राइट? सो नेवर हैव दैट fear for failure. Why USA is such a great country? Because the system there is such that it rewards you can say people who take action. It would never have stigma on failure. अगर आप फेल भी हो गए, आपने कुछ काम किया है, आप फेल हो गए, तो आप पे रिस्पेक्ट होगा, आपको डिग्निटी होगा, बिकॉज यू ट्राइड, you can say went out of your comfort zone, आपने कुछ ना कुछ ट्राई किया है, and you are now more experienced. Are you understand? That is why USA is number one. That is why great innovations come in USA. उबर, ओला, ये इंडिया में यू कैन से उबर तो इंडिया में यू कैन से यूएसए में आया, बट उसको कॉपी इंडिया ने किया ना. सो इफ यू सी उबर, if you see great Microsoft, if you see you can say Google, if you see Apple, why these are all coming in USA? Why these inventions are happening in USA? Groundbreaking inventions, because there is no failure, fear for failure. Elon Musk again is a great example. इतने बार फेल हुआ, कोई people are respecting him. Are you understanding? You can say my example also. I had great passion towards ice cream, so you can say personally मुझे ice cream बहुत पसंद था. I started a business, but it did not succeed. But it is like an investment. I learned so much. It was a very valid experience. I learned you can say कि बाबा systems कैसे build करने हैं. I learned how to you can say choose a business, how to choose a product. Are you understanding this? I also learned कि बाबा आप अगर वो business में नहीं contribute करने वाले हो, what are the parameters you should think before starting a business. I might again fail next time, but that should not be my concern. I should try and I should do action, because without action I will not be having proper success. Yes, you need to have strategy, you need to have proper planning, but action is you guys, there is no substitute to action. Trust me my friend. So again 10 पॉइंट्स में रिपीट करना चाहूंगा आपको. फर्स्ट पॉइंट मैंने बताया, नो योर सेल्फ. आपके बारे में आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए, वो हिसाब से अगर आपका काम करते हो, इट वुड बी योर चॉइस, एंड वंस इट इज माय चॉइस, तो फिर आप उसको करेक्ट बनाओगे. देयर इज नो राइट और रॉन्ग चॉइस. बाय योर एक्शंस यू कैन मेक इट राइट और रॉन्ग. ओके, अगर आपने पापा ने बोला है, मम्मी ने बोला है, पेरेंट्स ने बोला है ये करो और आप वो कर रहे हो, देन यू आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू ब्लेम कि दिस गाय टोल्ड मी, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट यू कैन से हैविंग सक्सेस. सो know yourself, choose according to yourself. If you don't know, you can say what is your field, whatever you are doing, just do best in that field and believe in the concept of connecting the dots. Destiny is there and it will take care. Second is continuous learning लगेगा. Okay, because this is the 5G world, this is the you can say जो इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन 4 चल रहा है, 4 वर्ल्ड है ये. कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस इंपॉर्टेंट है, बस उससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट कोलैबोरेशन है, नेटवर्क है. फोर्थ 3 जो मैंने आपको एच बताया है, दैट इज ऑनेस्टी चाहिए, ह्यूमिलिटी चाहिए, ह्यूमर चाहिए आपको सक्सेस के लिए. ह्यूमन वैल्यूज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, डिग्निटी, रिस्पेक्ट, देयर इज नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज फॉर दैट. Okay, very important. Ethics in business, again, very important. Then if you go to the 6 point, communication skills, emotional intelligence वहां पे आपको लगने वाला है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. Next is you can say data, maths, basic data, storing, analyzing, you should be able to do. Next is software, very very important. Ninth is divide the business into transactional business or transformative business. And 10th is never fear failure. So these are my experiences. These are, you can say, tips based on my experiences. They might not work for you, so take it with pinch of salt. Okay, this is my humble experiences. What I would like to end this with is, you can say, uh, प्लीज वर्क हार्ड बिकॉज देर इज नो शॉर्टकट टू सक्सेस. हम मिलेनियल्स बहुत बार ये सोचते हैं कि हम शॉर्टकट में कुछ कर लेंगे और हम जीत जाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपको हार्डवर्क करना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ यू आस्क मी दैट, यू कैन से, सब पूरा बिजनेस सक्सेस या फेलियर लाइफ का अगर आप डिफाइन करो, एक कौन सा क्वालिटी चाहिए, आई वुड से कंसिस्टेंसी. कंसिस्टेंसी इज द नेम ऑफ द गेम, राइट? इन माइथोलॉजी, एज you can say, you know that we have got three gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. What is the work of Brahma? He create kar diya, he is resting, right? Vishnu, he would come and he would destroy, but who is the preserver? The preserver is Vishnu. Are you understanding this? Preserver को continuous काम करना पड़ता है. Consistency is the name of the game. Every year बारिश गिरेगा, every year पानी बहेगा, every year you can say agriculture आपको करना पड़ेगा. Consistency, तो ही आप preserve कर पाओगे. So business कौन कर पाता है? Who can be the preserver, who can be consistent. Are you understanding? And who is the consort, or who is the, you can say, wife of Vishnu? The wife of Vishnu is Lakshmi. तो लक्ष्मी किसके पास रहती है? ओके, आपको अगर लक्ष्मी चाहिए, अगर आपको वेल्दी बनना है, तो किसके पास लक्ष्मी रहने वाली है? द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू डू कंसिस्टेंटली द हार्ड वर्क, ओनली दैट पर्सन is going to become successful in life. That is why use you the principle of Vishnu. Consistency is the name of the game. I hope you remain consistent and you become great businessmen in your life, very successful businessmen in your life, and you achieve all your dreams. Thank you. See you again.